In this video, I'm going to show you a smart way to set up your talkbacks in your in-ear Q mix as a monitor engineer. Hi, my name is Pita and welcome to Mono SoundLab. Today I have DiGiCo SD12 console, a talkback mic from front of house, and maybe the most important mic, the talkback mic for the MD of the band. As a monitor engineer, you want to make sure you can hear the MD at all times, no matter which channel you're listening to at that moment. And in some cases, that's the same for your front of house talkback or any other talkbacks you may have. Let me show you how you can easily set up and level your talkback systems without messing up your solo bus. Normally, we would patch the direct outputs of our IEM solo bus directly to our Q pack. But here we're going to use two matrices. That way we can mix our different talkbacks with our solo bus. Right here, next to my IEM solo bus, I already prepped two matrices. Let's call them Q left and Q right. I also made two input channels for my talkback mics of the MD and the front of house. They both have a proper input gain and a basic EQ. Next to them, we have a couple of IEM accents with a little bit of pink noise, so we can check our signal flow in a minute. Let's start with our matrix inputs. We go to the master screen and select matrix. Horizontally, we have our matrix outputs. Because we already named the first two matrices, you can see that this is Q left and Q right. Vertically, we have our matrix inputs and we have to patch these. Our first two matrix inputs will be our IEM solo bus, left and right, and we're going to use input 3 and 4 for our talkback channels. So let's select input 1, matrix inputs, internal, solos, and let's use a ripple for this, so select 2 and select solo IEM left. DiGiCo gives us a warning here, and with good reason. Do not solo this channel or anything it is routed to, because if you do, you are sending the solo back into the solo bus, creating an internal loopback. So watch out here. Anyway, with the solo bus routed, we can have a look at the talkbacks. So select input 3, choose internal again, and select channels. We prefer to use the channels here and not the direct inputs because of processing, of course. Let's use a ripple again, so select 2, and my talkbacks are all the way in the back. Select talkback MD, and because we chose a ripple, the two talkbacks are routed. Now that we've patched our matrix inputs, we can set the levels. I want to hear the solo IEM bus at unity gain, so I'll send left to Q left and right to Q right at 0 dB. And don't forget to turn it on. The MD's talkbacks is very important to me, so I'll send it to both of my ears at 0 dB. To avoid confusion, and because the front of house talkback is not that important to me, I like to send it only to my left ear at -6 dB. If we check out our signal flow now, you can see that when we solo an accent, it goes through our solo bus and therefore through our matrix. Because of separate matrix inputs, we see that the talkback mics are going through the matrix outputs no matter what we did or didn't solo. Talkback MD, talkback front of house, talkback front of house. Alright, that's in my opinion a smart way to set up your talkback system as a monitor engineer. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, my friends.